So here I have the syllabus quiz, and I'm going to hit the edit button, and here is where I can assign any points, and I can assign to everyone and put the due date, and I would just hit save and publish. To edit the questions, I'm going to hit the build button. And then in the build button, each of these has a pencil here. And so, like for this question, you'll need to hit the pencil, and then you'll need to change to your proper email address, and then select whichever one you highlight and shows the correct answer. And then you want to hit done to save that. And then you can add questions. You want to make sure that you change the email one to the proper email, and then each semester you update it with the proper dates here. And then you also change this one depending on whether you have a Math 080 or Math 090 to the proper score that you need on the CKC. So if there's any questions that you want to update, this is where you do it under the build menu, and then you hit that pencil and then hit the done.